Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang pagkain, sa'yo ang inumin. Happy, happy, happy birthday.
Sa'yo ang handaan.
Sa'yo ang pabahay. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang pautang.
Sayang pang-shopping.
Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana ay mapaligaya mo kami.
Happy birthday, Mama!
Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday, Mama!
How old is Mama?
Mang, ilan taon ka na? May pera. Happy birthday, Mang. From Canada, Vancouver.
Where's Mommy? Where's her picture?
Ay, dali,
Get her
hold on.
picture.
Ano? Si Mami nandito. Darating na si Mami. Andiyan na.
Ah.
Ayan si Mami.
Ayan na, ayan na.
Ayan si Mami. Ayan si Mami.
Wow! Okay, any personal message? JC will start. Ay, manyamot. Okay. Anyamot.
Hey,
Si Jake lang,
go
kanyaman.
closer, go closer.
Mamang,
Like, closer.
Magbabagong buhay na po ako. Mag-aaral na po ako.
wow, Mamang, thank you for giving me yung mga mata ko. Galing sa iyo naman to. Stop it!
Mata ni Mamang. Ginaya ko.
Yeah, ginaya ko. And that's it. Okay, moving on. Kuya, next!
Why? You didn't even greet her happy
Yeah.
birthday.
I did.
Birthday, Mama! We hope to see you soon again. Thanks for the pautang. And you should not have your money with you all the time. It's very dangerous. But we love you anyways.
Ate, go! Baby, go!
Hello, Mama!
Para tayo nagdadasal.
No, we're not praying. But, happy birthday, Mamang. May you have more blessed birthdays to come. And, can you please, I need one more LV bag, okay? That's one wish from me. May you have more birthdays to come. We
Ano
love you
yung
so
regalo
much.
natin kay Mamang? Yun ang tanong.
No! She
Walang
has
regalo.
to, no, yeah, she has to give us gifts instead of
Daddy,
her.
go! Ba't wala ka ng boses?
Si Daddy, di nakakarinig. Banga si Daddy.
Sana ay mapaligaya mo kami.
Wow! Okay. Happy birthday!
See you guys soon.
Yay!
Oh, good.
Bye!
Bye-bye.